Kani kadai ka Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingin bat penbha.
Haka khat sau tarik mentau naiweng arja khat pra. U chairperson jong ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. U Dr. Justice Aftab at Saikia. Ulalet yo kejat haka senang Mawson Ram. Ban yesimenta haka jelang ban pensau tho pajba halor ki hok jong ki nong senang kari. Kebalapun ko bor haki katkom kariti sensar jong kari India ne ke Constitution of India. Ya kani kejelang la pelong ha Mawson Ram Border Area College ha kebalawan yesimenta da ki nong senang na Mawson Ram bat na ki wedi ki senang bamarjan. Ha kani kejelang nolor u Dr. Justice Aftab at Saikia ki weipat ki balai don lang ki kenthom ya wei ni ki dikhot bat uskatri jong ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission u PJP Hanaman bat uba Aldas Maulong nang ta ka Block Development Officer jong ka Mawson Ram CNRD Block kakong Iwajri komjo kinohikai bat kisamla puli jong ka college.
Human rights, as Speaker Salia already touched those things, my Hanaman also given our vivid and comprehensive discussion, our commissions, everything, working conditions. See, human rights have not been defined anywhere. You will not find the definition. You all talk human rights, what is the definition? Which book will give that definition? No. If you go to Constitution, Constitution doesn't say anything about human rights. Because you do not know the Constitution. I am telling for this reason, I am harping on this, because basically every Indian must know Constitution. Whether child, whether young, whether old man. It's a duty of every citizen to know Constitution first. Not to know other subject first. Because Constitution gives us the framework, the infrastructure of working. All your teaching, everything, all your learning are governed by Constitution. As if everybody has said, right to education, right to liberty. What is that? Where will you find those rights? Right to civil rights, social rights, economic rights, those are rights. Where will you find those rights? Constitution gives us. What is Constitution? Constitution is the Bible for governance of a country. Every country in the world is run by their own constitution. Except one country, United Kingdom. Because they have constitution but not written constitution like us. Except UK, United Kingdom, all countries are having their own constitution written. And we are on that. And that is why Indians always to be proud of their constitution, because it is the only constitution in the country, in the world, which is very comprehensive. Where you get everything, which is lacking in some other countries. In my constitution, we are having 395 articles, 12 schedules. One schedule is referred by Mr. Hanaman, saying language. Third schedule. There are 12 schedules. Number 8 schedule is giving all languages. There are as many as 18 languages covered, but your Khasi language is not there. That is why he's saying that. There is a problem now. There are 18 languages covered, all 18 languages in India. Starting from Assam is also there. Kashmiri is also there. But you say Khasis are not there. Last is Urdu is there. So you have a right to say that we must have our right to have our Khasi language to be included in the constitution so that we can have our own right, Khasi's right, or own language right to language, as they say on this PowerPoint.